Hello, you're welcome to Den of Knowledge. Remember, it's still the e-learning meant for you. Yeah, I'm talking to you especially. I am still Mr. Okoronkwo Jackson Jonathan, and today our subject is French language, and our topic is number. In French we say le nombre, that is numbers in French. Remember, in basic 1 we counted from number 1 to 10. In basic 2 we counted from 20 to 40. In this basic 3, remember this is basic 3, we'll be counting from 30 to 60. Number 30 to number 60. The reason we are counting from 30, it's because we want to have a fresh memory of what we already did in basic 2, so that by the time we start counting, it will not be difficult for us. Okay, without wasting much time, permit me to say in French, bonjour mes élèves, bienvenue au cours de français d'aujourd'hui. Bienvenue. Let us count. We have our number 30. We have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. We've gotten our numbers from 30 to 40. Now, let's look at how they are written in French. We have number 30, 30. We have 31, 31. We have 32, 32. We have 33, 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38.
What happens? Tranwi.
Okay. Repeat it.
Okay, 37. Let me clean it. Are you?
Continue. Further.
He will clean that 38 now and write it again.
I'll clean it. 37. 38. 39. 40. So, we have our number from 30 to 40. Remember, the rule still stands. After you have finished counting your 40, just as in English language you have 1, 2, no matter the number of 10 you count to, you still start from 1, 2 again. So we have 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, let's write them in French. We have, remember our 40 is 40. So we have 41. That is 40 and 1. We have 42, 43, 44, 45. Remember 5. 46. Just like you have your 6 in English. 47. 48. 48. 49. And then you have your 50, which is your 50. So we've counted from 41 to 50. You have 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. That is your 50. Now let's take the last set of numbers. That is from 51 to 60. Let's clean up this so we can have our spades. Okay, we have 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, let's take them in their French translation. We have, remember, whatever thing you're writing that involves 1, don't forget to put your et, un, that is and 1. So we have 50, et, un, which is 50 and 1. Then the others, you proceed with 52, 53, don't forget your hyphen, 54, 55, 56, 57. Hope we are still together. 50, 50 here. 59. Then you have 60. You have 60. That is your 60. So you see, it's very simple. So you see, it's very simple. We said we'll count from 30 to 60. So you can see your numbers. Having counted from number 30, we proceeded to 40. Then starting from 41, we proceeded to 50 and then to 60. Okay, let's take these last numbers. We have 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Then we have 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 59, 59 and 60. 60, which is your 60. I hope now you can count your 1, 2, 3 as we started from basic 1 down to this present time in basic 3 to 60. See you next time. À bientôt.